Now, a powerful cold front sweeping Colombia's Caribbean coast left a vessel temporarily stranded and put coastal communities on alert as rough seas battered the shoreline. The boat was driven ashore by strong winds and heavy surf, grounding on a beach in Santa Marta. Local maritime authorities say that the ship and crew were unharmed. The vessel has since been successfully refloated and secured at nearby terminal after weather conditions improved. Authorities and residents also reported that same rough seas washed debris and waste ashore, littering stretches of beach with refuse carried in by the swell. Reports even indicate that at least 700 meters of coastline showed visible accumulation of litter and debris, while locals assert that the situation is exacerbated by river-borne trash surfacing where the waves break.
This is something that happens practically every time the rains set in. The river, several rivers that flow into the sea, overflows and brings all the trash people throw away, cups, all kinds of waste, and it ends up all over the beach, the whole bay.
The cold front has brought unusually high waves ranging from 3 to 4 meters. The sustained winds along the Caribbean shoreline has prompted beach closures and restrictions on small craft navigation in both Santa Marta and Cartagena as well.